Alright, what's up guys? So I finally get to see my first 8R310, the new R series anyway, in person. It's a pretty slick looking tractor. Of course the front end's low right now because the system on the front is not pumped up. The tractor's not running obviously. So anyway, it comes with some Michelin 420 85R34s on the front and a 480/80 R50 on the rear, so pretty tall tires, really. Oh, look, there's a bird up there. I don't know if you can see that in the camera or not. We'll not bother him. So it's obviously going to have duals on it, or at least it has the axles for duals on it. I do like that this step is super low. Easy to step up on, especially when the tractor's down. I mean, that's kind of cool. You got your fill right here, so you can fill from the ground, both DEF and diesel. Kind of want to climb up in there, but I'm not going to. I mean, the dealer's closed, so I don't want to, whatever. Just kind of a look at the cab. Kind of nice looking. Look at these markers. Kind of futuristic looking. It's kind of cool. So all sorts of LED lighting all around this thing, so that's kind of neat. I think there's supposed to be a cover on that mirror that's not there. Anyway. So here's kind of a look at the hood and the decal. That looks good. I like it. I think it's kind of cool looking. I like this little black triangle thing right there here. I think that's super cool. Nice big weights on front. A big full rack. Come around to this side. Get a look at it over here. I guess I ought to back up so we can actually get a look at it. Check out that muffler. Whoops. Check out that big muffler. Wow. I mean, it's probably not going to block your vision because it's right in the pillar there, but man, that's big. Oof. Anyway, so let's just kind of wander over here. Oh, see, now, so here's we've got the cover on this side, so it's just off on that other side. I don't know if it came off in transport or what, but we've got a ladder here to get you up to your little platform, so you can kind of adjust your mirror and your flasher and wash your windows and all sorts of stuff there. Nice little handrail for that too. That's kind of nice, actually. And then, I don't know, well, we'll wander around back here, take a look at the rear of this thing. So, of course, kind of got all the color codes and a nice big 3-point with a quick hitch on there, big beefy drawbar, and a PTO on this one. So, yeah, I'd love to get a chance to drive one of these, but maybe someday. You never know. You never. No, what is this? Is this just a foot? What is this thing? Is this just a footrest, I assume? Huh. Kind of cool. I like that. Smart. Anything to make you more comfortable in the day, I'm all for. You guys know if you spend a good 12, 14 hours on a tractor, it's a long day. So the more comfortable you are, the better. Anyway, there it is, guys. I think it's a good-looking tractor myself. We'll see if it's worth a crap. Depends on electronics and sensors and all that stuff. I'll be honest, with me, John Deere doesn't have the best reputation for that sort of thing, but I don't know. We'll see. 8R310. Cool. Glad to see it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have yourselves a great day. Happy tractor hunting.